Here are 4 uses for exfoliating sugar scrubs. Number 1 is to help treat and prevent ingrown hairs, whether this is underneath your beard, on your bikini line, eyebrows, or anywhere else you grow hair. Exfoliating scrubs prevent your hair from getting trapped underneath your skin as it starts to grow back, getting rid of your ingrowns. Number 2 is for shaving. The oils used in our scrubs at Benny Beauty by Bree provide excellent slip when it comes to shaving. So you can ditch that chemical-filled shaving cream and just get you a scrub, and you still gonna have that baby soft smooth skin. Number 3 is for lip lightening. Dark lips as a result of smoking can be reversed by exfoliating regularly. This helps to scrape off all that dead, burnt, or dry skin on your lips, thus lightening them. Number 4 is for dead skin in general. This for all y'all with them reptile looking feet. No shade though. Indulging in a nice hot foot soak followed by an exfoliating treatment with our scrubs can help soften your feet. Get you some body oil to top it all off.